Hi guys! In this video, I'm gonna explain more about fossil fuels and the carbon cycle. Enjoy! Worldwide basis of energy consumption comes from the traditional resources of fossil fuels, also called hydrocarbon fuels, such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Occurrences and formation of these resources result from the interaction of Earth's sources of energy. Fossil fuels represent solar energy that was converted during past geologic times and by biological processes into carbon-rich substances. Later, these substances have undergone further chemical and physical changes, such as changes in temperature and pressure within the crust, to result in massive concentrations of energy fuels. Upon combustion, these substances release their stored energy and sustain the growing energy demands for modern societies. Fossil fuels are so called because they represent the remains of once living fossil biological matter that supplies fuel upon their combustion. The value of their extraction and utilization made them recognized as valuable resources. Coal and petroleum are the most familiar forms that supply present-day sources of energy. Less common forms, because of local or potential importance and use, are peat, oil shale, tar sands, and heavy oils. Now on to the carbon cycle. All sedimentary rocks contain varying amounts of organic matter that range from traces to rich concentrates. This organic matter, consisting of hydrocarbons, is all part of the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle involves the cyclic movement of carbon compounds among all Earth's spheres. The processes of the spheres, atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere, allow for an exchange of the element carbon in and out. A series of complex chemical reactions take place where most of the carbon, organic and inorganic, gets concentrated, dissolved, or dispersed in the various spheres. Carbon passes back and forth from carbon dioxide in the air to plants and organisms, to solid rock, to dissolved gas in water. Photosynthesis produces organic matter from carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. If dead organic matter is buried and transformed into coal, oil, or natural gas, it becomes a fossilized product of photosynthesis, a fossil fuel. The burning of fossil fuels releases the carbon dioxide and water from which they were made.